Begin by working with the blades in the off or park position, red arrow. In this position, you can lift the blade and arm up off the windshield and it will pivot up without hitting the hood or damaging the paint. It's a good idea to put a beach towel, blanket, or a piece of cardboard on your windshield in case you accidentally drop the arm while you're changing the blades. Lift the arm off the windshield and pivot the blade so you can get access to the small tab that is hidden when the blade is in the down position, red arrow. Gently squeeze this tab in. With the tab squeezed in, slide the blade back towards the base of the arm, red arrow. This can get stuck. You may need to spray this area with a little lubricant to help free it up from the arm. Do not let the arm fall back onto the windshield without a blade on it. Before installing the new blades, take a moment to touch up any damage or exposed metal on the arm, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.